What's going on, backyard dippers? Today we're here to show you the easiest installation on a saltwater chlorinator. It's definitely going to be the Core by CircuPool. Anybody can do it. We did it in less than 10 minutes, guys. It's that easy. Let's get the tools and check it out. All right, remember guys, this is one of the most advanced saltwater chlorinators out right now, and it's incredibly simple to install. Let's get to work and find out. You're gonna wanna make sure you have everything ready for the install. Okay, this includes your basic materials like your glue, your primer, which is your cleaner, your cutting tool, which is a hacksaw or your regular pipe cutters, a Sharpie, and don't forget your template guide. So we got our tools, we got our salt system, but where do we install it? Well, if you look at this plumbing configuration here, you'll see that we have the pump over here and filter. Some of y'all might have a heater as well. Remember, the salt system is going to be the last thing the water flows through before it's dumped into your pool. So after your pump, after your filter, right on the return line right here is where we're going to want to put it. So now we're about to make our marks for our cuts. Grab your template guide, simply place it on the pipe, make your marks, and get your cutters ready. So we got our trusty pipe cutters right here. These work just fine, but remember guys, you can always use a hacksaw or a regular saw to cut your pipe. Let's make our cuts. Now we're ready for our glue. First thing you're going to want to do when you install your unions is take your collar, flat side, and put it on the pipe facing out, okay? Next thing you're going to want to do is grab that primer, give it a few seconds for it to dry, and then it's ready for your glue. Take your glue out, put a good dab right there on your pipe, and don't forget to do your union as well. Inside of the union. And when you push this onto the pipe, make sure you hold it for a few seconds. So go ahead, slide it in, hold it in place for a few seconds, and then release. Ready for the next one. So we got our unions and collars in place. Let's take our salt system, line it up to your ports. You're going to want to take that collar, insert it onto the threads, and turn clockwise. You got to connect it to power, right? Simply grab your plug, tie it directly into a protected outlet, and also keep in mind that you can also tie it into a regular pump timer using 110 or 220 volts. Once you have your system connected to power, go ahead and lift up your door to your display. Hit the power on key and adjust your settings. But there you have it, folks. It's as easy as that. Out of all of our brands of salt systems here at Discount Salt Pool, this is by far the easiest to install. We did it in just under 10 minutes. Okay, if you have any questions, please visit our website, discountsaltpool.com, or you can always give us a call. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.